Alright everybody, how are you? It has been a minute since I've done a hair tutorial, but today we are going to attempt this slick bun. I'm so excited because I can't believe how good it turned out. So this is my natural hair. If you guys have not watched any of my natural hair videos, I have an entire playlist which I will link, but my hair is growing back quite nicely, and when I say growing back, like I said, go ahead and check out that playlist and you will see what I mean. But here it's just some old hair. I had my hair in some twists underneath the wig, so I decided to try this hairstyle and it came out really well. So the first thing I'm doing here is separating my hair into two sections. I'm just separating the back from the front. So I'm really just going through and parting my hair down the middle. Doesn't have to be neat. As you can see, I'm really just using my fingers and kind of parting it down the middle, sectioning off the back versus the front. So next I'm just going to take this rubber band, what do you call this, ponytail holder. It's one of those ouchless ponytail holders, and I'm just going to section the front off in that ponytail holder very loosely. Then I'm taking my concoction here. This is just water, conditioner, and oil, and I am spraying it on the back of my hair. That is what I'm going to work with first, and I'm doing this so I can detangle my hair. So I'm just spraying that on. I'm not making my hair wet, but just damp enough that I can get a comb through it and really detangle the hair back there. So taking my trusty Eco Styler gel, I'm going to start to put this in the back of my head, and I'm being extremely generous with the gel because I really want the back of my hair to just look very nice and smooth and sleek. So I'm taking the gel and then a brush with the detangled hair, and I'm pushing it all forward, as far forward as I can push it. You just want to put it all up there, and we're going to gather that hair into a ponytail. And the reason I separated my hair to put it into a ponytail is just because it makes it so much easier than to take the entire head and try to put it into a ponytail together. That is just not easy at all. So again, you want to push it as far forward as you can and slick that hair up into a ponytail. So now we're going to go ahead and use the same method with the front of the head. I'm just going to slick that hair up as well and put it into a ponytail. We're going to start over and go ahead and detangle the hair using my water, conditioner, and oil method, and I'm going to spray the hair again, detangle, and put it on up. Alright, so at this point you should have two little buns similar to what you see here on the screen, just sitting at the top of your head. And yeah, your hair should look something like this at this point. So I'm looking at it because I'm like, I don't know if this is gonna work, you guys. I've never done anything like this, so I was really scared. But anyway, now it's time to work on the edges. So what I'm doing is taking my Mio Organics Edge Control, and I'm just putting that on my edges because I really wanted my edges to be very just slick and sleek. And then I'm going to put a scarf on it for about 45 minutes, and I'll see you guys afterwards. Alright, so here we go. I am using the Shake and Go pre-stretched braid 18-inch hair, and this is just bulk braiding hair, so no tracks or anything like that. And that's how it looked. I really like that color because I think it really goes with my hair color. Since I dyed my hair a while ago, I still have some of that color left. So I am going to leave the hair as is. I'm going to leave the rubber band on it and everything at the top, and I'm going to use it that way. But right now I'm just taking off my scarf to show you guys what the hair looks like once the gel and the edge control and everything has set in. My hair is pretty sleek. I never really try to put my hair up because I never think it's going to get sleek, but it's as sleek as I think it's going to get, so whatevs. But right here, I'm just tucking in some of that hair on the bun just to make sure nothing sticks out when I try to put the fake hair on top. So like I said, I'm taking the hair as is with the rubber band on it, and I am just putting the rubber band around my ponytails. And it's very simple, honestly. You just wrap the rubber band around. Very simple, very easy. And as you can see, look how good we look, girl. Okay, fine, not yet, but it's coming. It's coming. Alright, so that pack of hair came with 3 bundles, so I went ahead and added a second bundle. So as you can see, I have one closer to the front, and then I have one closer to the back, and I just thought that would make for a fuller bun and help cover up my 2 little ponytails at the top of my head. So now, just gotta wrap these babies around and get them looking good. So as you're about to see, I tried several different ways in order to find the way that was going to suit my bun the best. I probably did like 3 or 4 different things to get this bun looking the best on top of my head. So I would encourage you to just play around with it and see whatever works for you and your head, because I could not figure out how I wanted to do this thing on top of my head, but I think I finally found something that worked. What I did was go ahead and twist the hair in smaller sections. Instead of trying to twist the whole thing at once, I split the bulk in 2 or 3, and I went ahead and twisted it and then secured it with a bobby pin. So that's what I found worked best for me. this was really it, you guys. Just play around with your bun, make it look the best you can on top of your head, and that's really what I did, and that's it. It turned out like this, and I actually ended up really loving the look. So if you guys like hair tutorials, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.